National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 115, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Carroll, Stevenson, and Whiteside. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's weather radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford.
Something's wrong.
Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
Certain counties at certain
This
times
station
and for
will
certain
broadcast
words.
severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago.